Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
And Spice.
Today, we are going to make our Mike Wazowski apple snacks. And we have the adorable Nora with us. How old are you, Nora?
Say hi.
4.
You're 4! Because Nora is the perfect age for someone to help us with these Mike Wazowski apple snacks.
First, we are going to make our apple dip. It's a yogurt dip, and we're going to make it taste just like apple pie because we are going to saute some apples.
What a good helper! I love it!
With cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and we've got about a tablespoon of, what's this?
Butter.
Yeah! Dump that in there. Boom!
Great job.
We are going to put this on the cooktop and simmer it for about 20 minutes until the apples are super soft. So we let them cool, and now they're ready to make our yogurt dip. We're gonna put the apples into a bowl. Since these are already totally seasoned, the only thing that there is left to do is add the yogurt.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I want to put yogurt.
You got it, girl. We got 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. We're
Got
gonna
it?
pour it all gently like.
Good job.
Yeah. Here we go.
There's so
I'll
much
take that.
yogurt.
There's so
So
much
much.
yogurt. This is for a lot of people if you're having a party. Do you want to help stir? Kind of gently. Oh.
Okay. There's too much yogurt in that bowl anyway.
Yeah, you know.
It's really simple, super kid-friendly, very delicious.
And this is a great breakfast for anyone, and it's great to serve at a party as a healthy alternative to caramel or chocolate with apples, something like that.
So Julianna is now going to teach you guys how to make a Mike Wazowski apple.
A Mike Wazowski apple. So to start, have a green apple.
And a mouth.
And a mouth. I used a food safe marker to draw a mouth earlier. We're gonna take 1 piece of cheese. Any sort of sliced white cheese will work. And we have these cute little cookie cutters that, are you gonna cut an eye out? Push hard, push hard. Use those muscles. Perfect, great job. We're gonna use a little bit of what is this, peanut butter?
Yep.
Yep.
Peanut butter.
We're gonna use a fruit roll up. You could use a fruit by the foot too, whatever you have. We like to have them have a green eye. Could you help me cut out some of the green? Push hard.
If your Mike Wazowski apple isn't this perfectly shaped and you want it to stand up a little better, just take a knife and cut a little bit out of the back of the apple, and that gives him a nice prop.
And do you wanna stick the eye on?
Yeah.
And you can use a little peanut butter if you want, but the fruit roll up is super sticky anyway. And then shall I draw a circle for the eye?
Yeah.
Hey, what's Mike missing, huh? Is he missing some ears?
Yes.
So, we're gonna make some Mike Wazowski ears. We're going to take almonds and cut off just the sides, and then place them in with the white part right in the front, and you have your Mike Wazowski apple.
Cheers!
To Monsters University.
To Monsters University. Let's see how this tastes.
That's
Do you
damn
give a
good
thumbs
apple.
up? Thumbs up!
2 thumbs up?
You heard it here first, guys. Thumbs up to our Mike Wazowski apples. Don't forget to watch our Monsters University ramen video
And make our Monsters University inspired nails.
See you next time.
on Cinema
And Spice.